Hi, my name is Anderson Traslaviña. Vacation in La Vega. The last week I traveled with my cousin and his family to La Vega, a little town near Bogota. It was whirling that Bogota. It was the perfect occasion for live outside the cold and subway. It seemed like it was always summer over there. I recommended that place in case you are interested in travel to a warm and different place. Another recommendation is you better use shorts here in order to feel comfortable. La Vega has wonderful waterfalls. It's ideal for take a walk with family or friends, like I did with my cousin and his family near the waterfalls. You can do different things, for example, camping, canyoning, swimming, and some others. Recommendation is recommended that people wear sunscreen. It's necessary that people go in a private car. It's important that people go with a guide. It's recommended that people make the reception of the hotel with time. It's necessary that people wear comfortable clothes. It's important that people go in summertime. It's important that the people who visit this place take care of the natural areas. When it's the winter season, it's recommended that people do not visit the waterfalls. Advice: the people should enjoy time. People should visit the waterfalls on the El Chupal. People should go out the park at night and have a good beer. The people should not go to the pool. They are very full. People should not buy food on the street. People should not go with repellent. Thank you watching video. See you later.